Talk about the race. German took it out, 45. Is that what you expected in?
Cowboy! Yeah, I kind of thought he might take it out. I thought he might take it out a bit harder. But obviously, I just wanted to stick behind him and see what I could do over the last 200 metres. But unfortunately, he had more than me. Sorry, and Garrett had more than me. So, I'm happy to come here and come third. I've come a long way in a year to win indoors and come third outdoors. I think it's a good season, so I'm really.
Yeah, talk about the outdoor season after winning, a national title. And did it put more pressure on you? Talk about this season.
I don't think so. I think everything was going perfectly, and I got a little bit sick, but so confidence didn't go very well. But now I'm back healthy, and it's great to be able to come here and compete at the level I can now. So I've still got British trials in a month. Still hoping to make the World Championship team. So still got a lot of running to do, and hopefully I can stay fresh, and hopefully go to Berlin.
What do you got to do with the trials? Do you need a standard, or you need top boards?
Well, at the moment I could do with getting the standard, so I might see if I can get in a race in Europe when I'm back home. I'm flying back to England on Tuesday, so I'm close to be able to get to Belgium. Let's see, but I'm just going to go and try and win the trial, and then if they take me, they take me.
Well, hopefully we'll see you in Berlin then.
Hopefully.
Thank you.